Hello class, this is your instructor. I am just creating a short video for you to review what you are expecting to do in this course. So this is medical billing and insurance course part 1, starting this week, ending March 10th, and then the new course begins right after that, which is medical billing and insurance part 2, which will end May 10th. So just a few things I would like you to review with me as quickly as possible. You are keeping an eye on everything that you see here, especially your course orientation, introduction, syllabus, policies, accommodations. Everything that you need to know is posted here. First thing I want you to do is to please submit your discussion introduction by Friday this week to maintain your attendance and avoid any WN grading. If you have any questions, let me know and I can elaborate. The next thing is the module. I want you to make sure you are reading everything that is given in higher font and registering into your Simchart as soon as possible. Simchart is an electronic health record simulated software created by Evolve to gain and give you the experience of hands-on experience of how to use an electronic health record used in different facilities across the hospitals, clinics, outpatient surgeries, everywhere. And it's the best way to practice hands-on as much as possible to gain a good experience and give yourself a good marketing when you go out and look for the job. This would be the great thing on your resume. So what you're doing is using this link to Evolve, logging into it, creating an account, logging into it. Once you create an account with the information sent to you already through the email, or you probably already have an account, click on catalog, enter your course ID, which is what my access code is, and then also see if it's asking you to use the access code from your textbook, which you should already have. You will then be given an access to the Simchart medical office. It will have another option for student resources and a simulation playground. This medical office is actually giving you the course content which you will be using to do your assignments. Student resources are the step-by-step instructions of how to do them. Let's say you're doing a claim form. You will follow the steps under your student resources as to how are you going to fill out the information on the software. Simulation Playground is the actual button which you will hit to start working on. That I will make another video for you in order for you to follow that. So as long as you understand that, we are good to go. And keep in touch with me for any questions, any help. I have sent you an email with my email and with my text number, so I like to stay more in touch on the text, but of course emails are also good if it's more official and something that we need to document. For quick questions and just anything that is urgent, please do text me. Hopefully that's understandable, everything that you need to submit by the different dates posted here. Make sure you're following them. I don't know why I don't see an introduction email. I'll check on that. But anyways, I want you to keep an eye on your announcements. Alright, I also post a lot of information on announcements. Keep an eye on my emails. You can also email me from here. Well, this is for the students, that's why it's not working, so it will work for you. Anyways, and this course is for 8 weeks, which ends March 10th, and then you will begin your part 2, medical billing and insurance. That's going to end May 10th, and we will continue discussing that. Our first class will be on January 22nd at YFAC, room 231 at 7 p.m. So far, that's it. If you have any questions, please keep in touch with me. send me an email as soon as possible, and I will see you next Wednesday.